What's up, guys? Biker Dave here in a 2017 Subaru Impreza. And if you're wanting to set the clock and date for the car, if you see on the upper left right there on your center upper display, I don't own this car, but I'm just going to help you set it. All right. One thing, now if you can Bluetooth your phone through it, there is an automatic way you can set it. If you go to home right here, settings, clock adjustment, hit that guy. If you set that to auto, and if I believe you have to use an application to connect your phone to this car, it should set the date and time per your phone settings. But if you're struggling with that, make sure you set this to manual. If you see right there, so you can just do that or that. Go to manual. All right, now up here on the left, now it's a little complex. Now you have to do buttons down here and here. Okay, so first we'll hold the info button right here. Now watch the screen. Info, 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 right here. Press and hold the info button. So with your thumb, where it's info right there, hold that for a moment. Here we go. Okay, now you see this right here. Now you have to use the arrow buttons up and down right here to move this. Okay, so you got various settings you can do. So it'd be from here. I'm just going up to there. Now we're going to use set to get into that section, or to select it right there and right there. Now I've done that with the middle set button right here. All right, now here's all of your information: month, day, year, and time. All right, now once see where the little yellow arrow is up at the top middle, okay, you will hit set right there. Set. All right, now you notice it's an up down arrow now. Now you'll have to move it with up and down to adjust that date. Okay, so if I'm going up, down, okay, once you get it to what you want, hit set again. It'll go back to the little arrow. Now arrow over to the day. I've done that with this guy here. I know it's a little complex. Then you will hit the set button again. Go in there, then you can change the day, blah, blah, blah. Okay, once you've done that, out of it, set, then arrow over to the year, which was done, that guy right there. Enter it with the set button, then go up and down as you see fit. Okay, then I've gone back to that again. So I'm just using those two buttons, the arrow buttons and the set button. Then you'll go to here. How do you want it? You want it in 12-hour or 24-hour mode. Arrowing over, enter it up and down as you see fit. Set out of there, blah, blah, blah. Once you're finished, go to that set. Say I'm just moving it with the arrow buttons. These two guys here. Okay, out, set it. Once you hit set, clock and time should be set. Now arrow this guy here, arrow down, then hold the set button in the middle, go back, arrow. Now you got other options you can change and whatnot as you care to. Arrow down, then hit set, back. Now we're back where we started. Then you can get the info button again to move this around. Arrow, here's different things about your car. Different things, blah, blah, blah. If you want to get back to the radio station or whatever media you were on, there you go. Okay. Then you can get this back to where you were, radio station. Like I said, this is not my car, but I'm just showing you because none of the clock or date was set on this car. So I'm just showing you how it's done. A little bit complex, and I'm sure this is good for other Subarus of a similar generation. Like I said, this is 2017 Impreza. But yeah, kind of complicated. Anyway, check out my channel. I got thousands of videos, hundreds of videos about fixing stuff on cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, motocross bikes, Harleys, classic cars, fixing stuff around the house, lawnmower equipment, lawn stuff, you name it. There are all kinds of stuff on my channel, so check it out. And if our video saved your life, make sure you click the thanks donation button. You'll see it under the video screen. Feel free to send a donation. We really appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. We shall see y'all later.